Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So, true story, I started out this video a little bit earlier and I was talking through about how we're gonna do this reveal swap with these off-road real riders, right? And all this time I was recording and shooting, catching footage. At least I thought I was catching footage. And it wasn't a record. Like, I'm so sorry, but it wasn't a record. So you missed the drilling part of it. And when I was loosening it. But it's cool because I didn't get as far. So I'll just go over what I already did. Hopefully you'll get an idea. So what I did, I pre-drilled, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I apologize for that. So I was using this drill bit. It was a 964 size, 70 millimeter, and then I'm also using a 1/8 of an inch drill bit, 3.2 millimeter. And I normally would start with that. Normally would start with it. So what I did, just drill this post so far with the 3.2 millimeter, and then I would come behind it with the 70 millimeter, just to take off like this outer ring right here. And then what I normally do after that is use this drill bit. It's a 256, and I would drill into the body and then top it with this top here. So hopefully you'll see that part of it. And these are the size screws I normally use for my die cast to screw them back together. A 256 by 316 of an inch. Okay, and just set it right there. So, unfortunately, I didn't catch the footage of me drilling, so it's already drilled. So all we gotta do is take it apart. Just doing a simple wheel swap, and like I said before, I wasn't sure, don't know how I feel about this engine in the back here. I probably could take it out and save it for another vehicle. And it has a rivet right here. You can see it. It's a rivet right there. And I was thinking about also stripping it and doing another color, but I don't know. I kind of like this funky look it has going on for it. Let me know what you guys think on that. So hopefully it's the right size. Okay. I'm just gonna take my screwdriver and loose it up just a little bit. I know you guys can't really see that. I'll try to get better lighting. It's a fairly new channel. I'm just getting into this. I'm probably not gonna reuse this wheel on anything else, but still, I would like to get it out as in one piece as I can. I don't know if it's gonna allow me to, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. So sometimes these pieces just be so stubborn. Okay, there we go. Got it out. Hopefully it's the same length. That would be good. So a little bit longer. Okay, hold on. Gotta remember. Okay, that's the bar axle. Yeah. Hope everybody is doing well out there. Staying safe. We know what's going on today in the world, and hope everyone is not hogging up all the toilet paper. So, we need that little thing. We need that stuff. I'm gonna set this inside here. I don't know if maybe I have to put some glue or anything That's for right now. I'm just gonna try my best just to set it in now. Let's open it up a bit. Okay, it's open up. I have to borrow you real quick. Actually, no. Something else. Maybe this. Okay. I'm sorry you guys can't really see what I'm trying to do. There we go. So, let's see if it spins. Yeah, it spins. That's cool. Let's do the other side. Oh, this one fit right in perfectly. Looks so. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's a simple wheel swap, so not too bad. It rolls, eh? Looks nice. And this engine. I don't know what you guys think. You think I should leave it on there or take it off? I mean, I have another truck just like this one, but it's not the same color. Maybe I'll leave this one with the engine on and then just change the other one. Should I might even lower the other one. Yeah, I'll just for the sake of this video to keep it short, I'll just only do a wheel swap on this for now. Let's just mark it up, see how it looks. I think that looks nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like it. Look at that paint. See that sparkle? Real nice. Okay, let me show you guys how to do the topping. 256. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, now remember when doing this, you just try to take it as slow as you can, and not to go too deep. No pun intended. And sorry for the shake. Try to get it on camera as best as I can. I'm sorry you guys can't really see it. It's deep enough. Then you would come behind it. And top it. I don't think it's deep enough. I'm gonna have to take out this plastic piece. I think I can. No, I'm gonna take out the glass too. That should be on the safe side. I mount it right over here. Okay, let's go again. Just a little bit deeper. That should be it right there. That should be good. Then you do the back. Remember to take it slow. I was supposed to use the center point. That's so it could somewhat help with the drill bit of being centered. And always remember to use your safety glasses. Okay, I'm gonna go just a little bit more. Okay, I think that's it. I'm not gonna go no further. Now let's keep your work area clean. Got my little trash bin. Get some of these metal shavings. I hope the video is of somewhat good quality and you guys could really see it better. I'm gonna try upgrade the equipment, but for right now this will have to do. I'm gonna top it just a little. I know the front piece feel fine, but I don't know how I feel with this back piece. I'm gonna have to go just a little bit more and hopefully don't ruin it. Ah, see, this is what happens. This is why you don't go all the way. Man, just a little bit too deep. I know I went through. I felt when it slipped. Oh well. But you can't really tell because the engine is still here. But I feel when I went straight through it. So you gotta be careful. And topping these, especially the back posts. Okay. I just gotta keep going. glass bucket. It's not too bad of a casting. This piece bucket. And clamps this back on. Get some screws. Keep the work area clean. Find the screwdriver. If I could find a screwdriver. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it has the right bit. There we go. Okay. Let's try screwing back together. Gonna do the back first. Just for the sake of that I know it kinda somewhat screwed up. Just a little. Oh, that's not too bad though. It's not too bad. And you know, there you go. That's how you do a wheel swap. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just right. Does anyone recommend anything with lighting? Cause you know, I'm trying to figure it out, but I don't know. It's just so ridiculous. And yeah. These spins. Not too bad.